to Olfactofiles. I'm Tara, and today I'm finally back with another video, and I have some fun holiday decor because my friend John requested that. He just loves Christmas, so I had to do that for him. But you know what? I love Christmas too, so it's fine by me. And it's fitting because today we are going to be unboxing this Atelier Cologne advent calendar for 2020. Now I know that advent calendars are meant to be opened like one day at a time beginning December 1st, but I don't have any patience and we're opening it now. Also, this might be good in case you were curious about this, if it's worth the money or not. I don't own any bottles from Atelier Cologne. I've tried some of their fragrances, like the little samples, but I've never purchased any. So for me, pretty much anything in here is going to be something that I don't have, which is good. But yeah, let's see if this is worth the money. It retails for $108. It's at Sephora. I'm not sure if you can pick it up elsewhere. You probably can. And I got it during the VIB sale, so I got 15% off. They might have another sale coming up soon, who knows? But $108, let's just go with that and see if we think it's worth it. All right, so I literally haven't opened this at all. I kind of have an idea of what's in here because there was a photo on Sephora with sort of a display of different things. So I know there's some samples and I know there's a bottle in here and I think a travel spray or two, but let's find out. So here we go, opening her up. Whoa, okay, hold on. I need more room. Okay, there we go, I'm gone. So it's very big, that's what it looks like. And you can see it goes 1 through 24. So why not 25? I don't know. I guess you don't get anything for Christmas because I assume you're getting something else for Christmas. But there we go. So I'm gonna have to put this down because it's too massive. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start with number 1. And I noticed that the numbers are just kind of random all over the place, so you have to look for them. But number 1 is in the top right corner here, so we're gonna open that up and see what's in there. It looks like it's the size of a sample, so that's my guess. Okay, so indeed number 1 is a sample. Let's see what sample it is. All right, so day 1 is a sample of Oolong Infini. I'm not gonna spray these right now because this is gonna take a long time as is, but if you would like me to do a live, maybe this weekend, Saturday or Sunday, like going through the samples and testing these out, I could do that, but it's gonna have to be something different because this is just gonna be way too long as is. Day 2 is over here in the bottom left-hand corner, as far away from number 1 as possible. And it is also a sample, and it's called Trèfle Pure. So I don't know what that smells like, no clue. Let's keep going though. Number 3, oh, number 3 is in the middle now, so we're jumping around. And I'm having to use a little tool to open these because my nails can't get down in there. Day number 3, another sample, and this is Bois Blancs. Is that blonde wood? I don't know. So that's day number 3. So far we have 3 samples. Guess what? Day 4, right here, another sample. Let's see, ew. Okay, so day 4 is another sample, and it's of Grand Neroli, and this probably isn't a big deal, but there's something floating in my sample. I don't know if this will zoom and you can see it, maybe. I don't know. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that. I'm gonna have to check when I'm editing to see if you can even see it on film. But there's like a little piece of something floating in there, which is weird. So anyway, it's fine, whatever, but I think it's strange that there's something floating in there, and I don't like it. Okay, day number 5 looks promising because it's significantly larger than the previous days, so let's see what is in here. Or not. It's a sticker. Man, I thought there was gonna be something good behind there. It says, "It's the most wonderful time of the year." I agree, but you're still a sticker. Anyway, well, that was kind of a letdown. Let's try number 6. Where are you, number 6? Number 6 over here. It looks like a sample. It's the same size as all the other samples. And indeed, it is a sample. And day number 6 is a sample of Iris Rebelle. So that's kind of exciting because, as you may or may not know, I do very much enjoy Iris fragrances, so we'll give that a try. Day 7. Day 7 looks like another sample. Day 7 is Pacific Lime, which is one I have tried. I do really like this fragrance. It's just a nice fresh lime fragrance. In general, the ones that I have tried don't have fantastic longevity, but they do smell really nice. So we'll give that a try again because it's been a while. Let's see, day 8. Oh, Maybe day 8 is a travel spray because it is actually in the shape of a spray, but bigger than the little samples here. So let's see what we have. All right, it is a travel spray, but I will tell you it's a 4 milliliter travel spray. It looks like it's bigger than that, but it says 4 mils. So not like their normal travel sprays by any means. However, this one is Orange Sanguine. Have I tried this one? I don't remember if I've tried this or not. So definitely excited to give that a try. But you know, it's better than a sample and certainly way better than a sticker. So that is day number 8. All right, day number 9 is Bergamot Soleil, another sample here of Bergamot Soleil. So I imagine that's a bergamot fragrance. They do tend to have a lot of citrus-based fragrances, or at least the ones that are popular are citrus-based fragrances. So I'm not surprised to see a lot of that in here. I honestly don't know if like all of their fragrances are in this advent calendar. I have no clue how many fragrances they have, but it's more than I thought because I am not familiar with a few of these that I've already received. Moving on to day 10, which is back over here, and it looks like another sample. And this one is called Cedrat Enivrant. I don't know how you say that, but I'm assuming a cedar fragrance. I also like cedar, so that's good. I will say so far, even though everything's either a sample or a travel spray, I'm still pretty excited because most of them, if not all of them, sound, based on the names, like things I will enjoy. So that's good. Let's keep moving though. So day 11, and you know what? Day 11's back up here, and it's big. And now I was thinking it was something good, and now I think it's a sticker. So let's find out. Yay, it's a sticker. Yay. Oh man. All right, so that's day 11. I don't know why they put stickers in here. Do they just not have that many fragrances to fill up the whole thing? Whatever. Moving on. Let's see, day 12. All right, day 12 says Cedre Atlas. So I don't know if this is another cedar fragrance or if, you know, maybe I misinterpreted the previous name. I have no idea. Maybe they have two. But anyway, Cedre Atlas is day 12. Day 13. Let's see what's in day 13. Day 13 is a sample of Musk Imperial. We'll give that a try. Day 14 is Patchouli Riviera, so I'm going to assume that's a nice patchouli fragrance. Not always super big into patchoulis, but recently there have been a few that I've found that I do quite enjoy. So I'm definitely excited to give that a try and see if it, you know, falls into the category of patchouli that is not offensive to my nose. Let's see here. Let's move on to day 15. And day 15 is another sample of Vetiver Fatale. I think that sounds interesting. I do quite enjoy Vetiver. Day 16 is another sample, and it is of Vanille Incense, which I think I have sampled a couple times before, but it's been a while. But as again, you might know, I do love vanilla. One of my favorite, if not it's my favorite note. So I'm excited for that one. Definitely gonna give that a try again. That was day 16. Day 17 is gonna be a sticker. Boo, boo. So not only is day 17 a sticker, but it was like half open and stuck to the bottom. It is a cute sticker though, but I don't use stickers. My nephew is gonna really love these stickers. All right, moving on to day 18. 18 is my favorite number, by the way, in case you were curious. And here we go. Day 18 is Love Osmanthus. Nice. I wonder if that's kind of the apricot-y osmanthus or how that is. So I've never tried this one. Definitely excited to try that. All right, moving on to day 19, which isn't my favorite number, but it is my birthday. So let's see what I should have opened on December 19th, my birthday. All right, the scent for my birthday that I should have opened on the 19th is Rose Anonyme. I don't know how you say that, but you know, a rose fragrance. Very nice. Let's see, day 20. Ooh, day 20 is a travel spray. All right, day 20 is another one of those 4 ml travel sprays, and this one is Pomelo Paradis. So very nice. I don't know if I have any pomelo fragrances. Yeah, I don't know. All right, we're getting there, guys. There's only 24 here, and we're on day 21. It looks like a sample, and it is a sample of Santal Carmine, or Carmen. The font on the name for this one is different from all the others, which I find interesting. But yeah, so a sandalwood fragrance. I'm very excited to try that one out. Day 22, let's see here. Day 22, oh, this one also has the same font. I don't know if this is like a separate collection, but this one is Oud Saphir. So we'll see. I may or may not like this one, but I'm definitely gonna give it a try. I honestly didn't even know this fragrance existed, nor the last one, or there's a few of these. Like I said, there's a few in here that I've never even heard of. So that's kind of fun because I mostly just thought they only had the citrus scents, to be quite honest, and clearly they don't. We're down to the last two. There's day 23 and day 24 right there. Day 23 is taller and day 24 is shorter but a little wider. So I guess we'll just go in order here. I know there's a bottle and I'm guessing it's day 23 because it's taller, but we'll find out. Day 23 is in fact a bottle, and it is Clementine California, which is probably their best seller. It's, you know, one of them anyway. And this is the 30 ml size. So that's a nice little treat there. And then I wonder what's in day 24 then, because I know there's not more than one bottle. So let's see. Oh, okay. I've seen this before, but like I've never had one of their fragrances. It's like a little, I don't know, it's not leather. It's like a little faux leather case for the fragrance. I guess maybe if you're gonna travel to help protect it, I'm not sure. But this is a nice little size for traveling, I suppose. Definitely, I've smelled this one before, definitely obviously a summer fragrance with the name Clementine California. So maybe in 2021, in the summertime, we can travel again and then I can take this with me. All right, so let's quickly recap what all was in the advent calendar. First off, there is a 30 ml bottle that comes with the little protective sleeve. There were 2 of the 4 milliliter travel sprays. That's a nice size, I really like that. There were, I think, 17 of these little samples, and these are 2 ml samples, so that's not a bad sample size. You can actually get at least a couple wears out of it. And there were 3 stickers, which are not my favorite, of course, but I can give them to my nephew, whatever, no big deal. Like I said, I don't know if this is literally all their fragrances, and so they just kind of had to fill something in there or what. I will say that, you know, if next year, or well, I probably don't need it now that I have all these, but if they had one that was more like these size travel sprays, maybe it's only 12 days, but it's like these with a bottle or something for the 12th day, I think that would be really cool. However, I still really enjoy this and I'm excited to try out a lot of their fragrances that I didn't even know existed. So overall, do I think this advent calendar is worth the price? Yes, I do. And why is that? Well, because first of all, this alone, this 30 ml bottle, retails for $80, which means that everything else in the advent calendar is basically adding up to $28 since it's $108 retail value. And I think that for 2 4 milliliter travel sprays plus, like I said, I think it's 17 2 milliliter samples, I think that's a fantastic price, because if you look at the discovery sets that are on Sephora, a lot of them that are around the $30 range, you're getting between like 4 and maybe 8 different samples. So here you're getting almost double that, or you are getting double that. And so yeah, definitely think that it is worth the price. I think it would be a fun gift. However, if you do have a lot of these fragrances already, or if you've already tried most of them, then maybe not so much. But for somebody who maybe is new to fragrance, or if you're just like me and you haven't tried a lot of them, I think this is a good deal, and I think you know, maybe something to look into as a gift or even for yourself like I did for me. So that is the 2020 Atelier Cologne Advent Calendar. I think it's a pretty good value. I'm excited to try these, and I would love to hear if you have any favorites from this house, because I have a lot to try out and I would certainly like to prioritize which ones I test first. Also, if you would like me to do a live sort of first impressions with all these different samples, I would be happy to do that. Just let me know down in the comments. I might actually have to do 2 because that's a lot of different fragrances to test at once. So maybe I'd have to do like 2 weekends in a row or something. But let me know either way if that's something that you're curious about, or maybe you've already tried most of them so you don't really care. I hope you guys liked this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Hopefully I will be back to my normal sort of consistent 2-ish videos a week now that things are starting to calm back down, because I am all virtual again versus being hybrid. That's insane, guys. It was so much work, and I'm still behind on my work trying to catch up, but we did just recently switch back to all virtual, so I think I can catch up and have some free time to actually film now, which is exciting because I love doing this. I missed you guys, and I hope that you're all doing well. Please stay safe, wear a mask, and have a great week. I'll see you next time. Bye.